Today I record short video to show you my current project, what I'm working on and what the next tutorial on this channel will be. If you want to help support this channel, hit the subscribe button below this video. You can turn on notifications so you'll be informed whenever I post new video. So as you currently see on the screen, this is my game, which is gonna be another 2D puzzle game. So let me just start this game. You probably will hear some background sounds. So this is just the simple puzzle game. I have some settings. We can toggle the music. I have the privacy window as well. And then when we start this game, this is just the simple puzzle game. So we need to assemble the line. And then there are some points. There's the best score. And then if you, for example, want to place something on the top of another square, the whole shape will be marked to red and moved back to the starting position. So let me just play a bit. So as I said, this game is not finished yet. I still need to implement a few features, so there will be another button which will let you choose another set of the shapes, but this button will be activated only when the player will watch the full rewarded advertisement video. And also I need to implement some of the bonuses, so as you will see in a minute, once I hit the 100 points, if I hit the 100 points, and this is of course the losing screen, so this is not fully finished yet. Let me try again. So as you see, once we reach the 100 points, the color of the whole shapes is changing. And then there will be additional bonus for removing all of the, let's say at this situation, all of the blue squares. So there will be like very nice animation on the top with some bonus points. So once we reach 200 points, there will be another color. I believe it's gonna be like a light blue. So this is the whole game. As I said, it's not finished yet, and this game will be released in this week on the Google Play Store, and I will release it also on the Android App Store and maybe on the Amazon Store. So do let me know what you think about this project, if you like it or not. As I said, I will make the full tutorial series from this game. I won't be able to release the same graphics, but I will make a graphic to look something similar, and of course I won't be able to release any sounds from this game, but you will find plenty of the sounds on the online for free, so that shouldn't be any problem. So do let me know, guys, what do you think about this game. As I said, this game will be available on my website soon. If you have any special request what we can add to this game to make it better, do let me know in the comments below this video. I will adjust this game to fit your needs. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.